Hey y'all, it's me, Natalie, and I'm back here with another video. Yes, y'all. I want to see where I got these reflectors and where I got my new station from. Just stay tuned, and I'm about to show y'all how to get cheap stuff and a nice vanity slash makeup station, okay? Hey y'all, I'm back here with another video real quick. So today I'm about to be putting up my drawers for my, why are you looking at me? For my vanity set. So I look a little crazy, but I'm trying to clear off my my dresser. This is how it looks now. This is how it looks. And it's nothing here, so I got these drawers from oh, I'm sorry, baby. I got these drawers from Michael's. They are $50 on sale. I will leave a link down below. They are regularly $100. They went up because I was looking on YouTube and people were buying these for like, they was $89 and 40 and 50% off, but now they went up to $100, so they're $50. So I got two of them. So yeah, I'll show y'all me putting this together and showing y'all how I'm going to put up my vanity set, because I think I'm gonna take this apart on the bottoms and the back and put this on top of the drawers, but that's brown, so I don't think I want this. I think I'm gonna just go to Home Depot and like get the top that everybody been talking about. So yeah, let me open this box up. And it said you need a screwdriver for this. Okay, here, oh my god, this is gonna be a long thing. So here are the screws. It's a lot of screws in here and a lot of stuff to put together, so this might take a while. I don't need to see me put nothing together, because it's like, if you get this, you'll put it together too yourself, and it's not like I can explain how to put it together because instructions come with it. So I'm gonna pull everything out, show y'all, and then show y'all after I put them together, okay? It's hella chips, like everything is chipped apart. They wasn't lying when they said that this shit was cheap. Do y'all see that? That's chip. This is brand new. Like, I just hope this lasts me a long time. I have to be soft and gentle with this stuff, just for the fact that I don't want it to mess up on me. One thing I do like, that they do have everything marked with stickers. Like, this is D, so it'll be easier for me to put stuff in place. Oops. So I'm about to put this thing together, show y'all my end result. Okay, so y'all, here's my station right now. Here's my mirror. But it took me so long to find the whiteboard. I finally found it. I had to go to Lowe's. I found this at Lowe's. It was very hard. So this one is 4 feet tall. I'll be replacing this one for the white one, so it don't look all trifling and ratchet looking, because right now it just looks trashy. The white one will make it look way more clean. I got my tripod and my, what the fuck? My ring light. And here's my makeup chair. Also, I went to Home Depot and I found the reflectors. And I already cut it in half. Look, I already cut it in half because they wouldn't fit in my car, so I had to cut it there at the store. And these are the reflectors. It's just, I'll leave this, this link down too. This whole big thing was, $12. And this was $13. So I'll leave everything down below on the pricing and where I got it from, so it'll be easier for y'all to find it. So this is how it will look when I'm recording. I have the reflectors right here and right here. And then I have my ring light right there. I've switched it for now. Maybe I'll switch it back. But since the tripod is too big, I'm just going to be setting it on top of here when I record. And I'm going to set it up real quick and show y'all how it looks on the other side. So yeah, these reflectors really do help because now it looks clear. And my light is not even up all the way, and I don't like it up high because then it's just too bright for me. And then I could just keep it down low like this or something, and you see it's still good quality. I know I look a little crazy, but I had to show you how to get this stuff. I will leave everything down in the description box on the price and everything that I got it for. And let me show y'all where the makeup is. So here's the drawers. Let me see. I just left my sprays up there. I gotta get some more. And here's like the glitters and stuff. And I have brushes and like utensils that I need in here. And then my palettes, like that I barely use. And then my immediate palettes are right here that I use majority of the time when I do makeup. I have liners and glitter liners and stuff in here. And the bottom drawer is just lip gloss and stuff. And then this top one, these last ones should not be in here, but it's foundations in here. Foundations to primers when it should be primer foundation. Then concealer. And I got concealer and my brow dips in here. And we have the handy drawer. This drawer is for anything hair stuff like that. This is just the go-to drawer. And then at the very bottom I have my nail polish. Here's my nails. If y'all haven't went to go see how I got these, go check that video out. I will leave the link to this video also down below. If you haven't already, go watch this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I use this for doing makeup and doing videos. This is my vanity / makeup section, and this is my makeup room. So yes, make sure y'all stay tuned for the next videos, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.